So, this will be a fan comparison of old versus new. On the right is a, Lasko wind machine, very common. And then on the left here is an older Lakewood, a vintage Lakewood K223? P2, it's either a K223 or a P223. I have a feeling it's not a third generation, because I believe the third generations have a different kind of blade. So I'm thinking it's a first or second generation. We repainted it gloss key lime. That's what it's called, gloss key lime spray paint. We accidentally spray paint. We got the feet spray painted. But I want to show you a secret. Look, I'll lay it down here. Get ready to see this. I did not repaint the bottom. This is how it was when I found it. All rusty. This was like the whole cabinet. It was like this kind of color. Yeah. Oh, and this was from the trash. This was just found. Okay, so yeah, I'll turn them to the back now. This one's heavy, so I'm gonna take my time with this one. There. Here's the back. Here's this one, the old Macmillan motor. This one, sadly in a rough shape. You can see, well, that part of the grill was there before, but it snapped off when I was taking it off to clean it up and stuff. I haven't oiled it. I may oil it, but I had no oil. And this just has a small motor. You can see the capacitor. What does it say on it? CBB61 250 VAC temp 70 degree Celsius. E16670G 2016-03. It's probably from 2016, this one. I don't know what that is. Okay. Oops. I'm resting the camera there so I can flip over the Lakewood. It's so heavy. I don't want to break it. So I'm gonna run them individually and together. First, we'll start with them individually. So let's start with the wind machine. Here we go. Let's turn it to high, I believe. Yep, there we go, high. There's got a lot of air. They both blow at the same time. But this one was just a cheap piece of junk, and now it's actually good. It's high. Medium. See it's blowing at 10 watt. And I'll turn it down the wall. The Kenworth's still blowing. Yeah. Kenworth blowing. Hold that up. Wonderful blow still. Yeah, I think it's still going. Now it's stopping. Oh no, maybe not. Pretty good spin down, but I think the Lakewood has a bit of a better spin down time. Okay, and now for the Lakewood. Here we go. What's to do? High. When we're seeing how do we have space when we go to the plate. Let's take the medium. I don't think this one will water camera. I'm not sure. Nope. This one can't water camera. Has the low speed. How about we check out what's coming? Oh, it's the guys. It's the blender. I think my dad's making pina colada, and so is my mom. Back to high. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a bit better than the wind machine. Now it's on them together. How about we start on low this time? So cute. Medium. Here we go. Time for medium. And high. Kenro's not blowing because they have it away. Here's high. Oh, the Kenro is blowing. It's just because of the wind machine. It's because of the wind machine, not the Lakewood. Okay, here we go. See what's on when to spin now. I have a feeling it's the Lakewood. Oh no, the Lakewood actually stopped first. Okay. I'm just gonna turn them off. I think the Lakewood actually did stop first. Okay. Here we go. Turn back on the power strip. Ah! What happened to the wind machine? Oh my god, the Kenwood. Blowing kind of fast now. Oh no. There we go. Fix it. One machine versus Kenwood. That stopped. Still going, of course. But hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.